Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials so nothing blocks activation. Check iOS and battery, then connect to a stable Wi-Fi network. Enter your Apple ID, email, and password when prompted. This verifies identity. If you have two-factor authentication, make sure the trusted phone is nearby to receive the code. Once done, make sure date and time is set to automatic in settings because mismatched times can prevent server validation. Start now so the next steps complete without interruption. Now you handle account and connectivity issues that commonly stop activation. You should sign out of iCloud and sign back in to force a fresh token. This clears stale credentials. If sign-in errors persist, reset network settings to remove corrupted Wi-Fi or VPN profiles. This won't erase data, but will reboot connections. Next, visit your Apple ID on a browser to confirm the account is active and security info is current. This prevents blocked sign-in attempts and explains many failures. Finish by restarting the iPad and attempting activation again using your verified Apple ID credentials. A reboot often clears transient errors. If the device remains inactive or shows activation lock, put the iPad into recovery mode and restore using Finder or iTunes to reinstall iOS. This can resolve deeper software faults. If that still fails, contact Apple support with the device serial number and proof of purchase so they can remove activation lock. If you run into an error code, note it for support.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.